All right, guys, this is bank funding. So what is bank funding? Bank funding is exactly what it sounds like. It is getting money from a local or larger bank for flipping. So how do you do that? So with bank funding is a lot slower than hard money. Most of the time when you are doing a hard money loan, they can close in as little as a week or two, okay? With bank funding is 30 days most of the time, if not longer. Bank funding requires an appraisal. Bank funding requires plans, okay? So it's a longer process if you have time to do it. However, here's the key with bank funding. It's much less interest rate. So interest rate on your hard money or your private money, even 10 to 15%. Bank money, prime plus 1. Now what is prime? Normally prime is about, of the 10-year yield, it's about 2.5, 3%, and then you add prime plus 1, so it's about 4.5 to 5%. So it's going to be a lot less monthly cost for you using bank money, but it just takes a lot longer. You also have to have your financials on point. So all of your tax returns, everything like that. So if you're just getting into real estate, bank funding may not be an option for you if you don't have 2 years of tax returns. So bank funding is something that we have used and we have used often and do like it for our larger projects. So properties over $500,000, we try and use bank funding just because it makes it a little bit easier for the long-term hold of a bigger project. So that's why you would use bank funding, and it's very beneficial in those scenarios. So that is our quick overview of bank funding.